Hello, sorry for missing last week's video. So we're just going to continue with what we were doing last week for this week. Okay, guys. So here's the footage that I filmed beforehand, and I'll catch up with you when we get to this bit. Hello, welcome to Army Toy Tuesday. So we got our book, we got our tags. Let's get going. So I brought down all the yarn I would need for, except for this and this, all the yarn I would need for all 4 projects. I brought it downstairs because it got too hot upstairs in my room, so I thought, do you know what, I'll do them down here. And the first project today is the gentle giraffe. I'm hoping you can see that properly. Hang on. The gentle giraffe. Can you see him? I hope so. Page 38 and 37. Well, I put page 37, but it's not. Well, yeah, technically it is. Ignore me. So, alright, I can put this on my lap here. I'm going to put you on a time lapse, obviously. The colours we are using today are this grey, which I'm pretty sure is chenille chunky. This yellow, which is chenille chunky, which is called lemon yellow, and the brown. It's a little bit darker than what it shows in the picture, but I think it'll be right. And then I've just got the white. Obviously, this white is, yeah, they're all chenille chunky, I'm pretty sure. So I've got my scissors, my crochet hook. By the way, it is an absolutely beautiful day out there. It is Wednesday, the 8th of April. And yeah, so I'm going to put a film on. It's about an hour, 15 minutes long, something like that. If I continue watching this film, it's a bit weird at the start. So I'll either watch that film or put another film on, and let's see how many we can get done within the time scale of a film's worth. So let's do this. It took forever. I've left the eyes upstairs, so I haven't stuffed it. Hello. Yeah, I'll do the rest upstairs, but here he is so far. He's cute. I had to frog a couple of times because I couldn't find my stitch marker and I wasn't going back upstairs, so pardon me, I had to count everything. Anyway, that was not as fun as I thought it was going to be. Okay, I've put on the alphabet colour because I don't know what to watch. So what's next in our little list? I think it's the axolotl. Yes, it is. So he's called the Agile Axolotl. Cool. So I got a sparkly pink and then this bright pink. Ah, stitch markers. Goodness sake. Okay, so we previously saw, so I had, come here, little giraffe. I had finished this giraffe. He is a little bit wonky, but it's fine. I don't mind at all. So we finished this little giraffe. He took so long to make, so long. Don't even know. And then we got this axolotl. Because I'd left the eyes downstairs, like I said, I couldn't put them in the bottom, so I'm just going to embroider like sleepy eyes or something on this. But I do need to finish. I haven't finished this one yet. So let's get the book out. Let's figure out what we're missing. So this one is the Agile Axolotl. Okay, so we need the frill. Okay, here he is. Not going to do the eyes yet because I don't want to. So yeah, here he is. I honestly can't remember how long he took me. I'm assuming it was around 45 minutes to an hour, but I don't remember even making it at this point. So yeah, it wasn't a massive amount of time, I guess, but yeah, we'll see. That's that. Right, next on our list is, I think it's the chick. It's a cheerful chick. Okay, I'm hoping this doesn't take very long. Let's have a look. So it starts on this page. Okay, so for this one I'm using this yellow, which is lemon yellow, and I'm using this tangerine. Okay, so I might need white at some point, but I'm not sure. So let's get started. So I missed 2 rows. And I don't care. I'm not going back. I'm tired. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've started falling asleep. So it's going to be really chunky, chubby. Check. I'm not going back. Me. It'll still look cute. Oh well. And it'll just be a quicker make. Okay, look how cute that is. I messed up the pattern. I missed out some rows, but look how cute he is. Oh, I'm not doing the head bit. I don't like it. I was supposed to be doing these all how they're supposed to be done, but I don't care today. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But he just looks so adorable. Look at him. Oh, he's so tiny. Okay. Stop, Chloe. Stop. Right. Put these away. Cut the grey and the pink out. Alrighty. So the next one is Mysterious Mouse. I think this is going to come out super cute. So what I've done, it says to use cotton candy, which is pink and grey. So I decided I didn't like any of my pinks in there, and I didn't want to. I suppose I would have gone for like, I don't know, this one. Oh, I don't like any of them. They're not bright enough. They're too bright. So I just found this one that fell out, and it is called. Hang on, I'll show you now. This is called Oatmeal, and I think this is a suitable. So we're gonna see how the mouse looks with that. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, right. Where did I put my crochet hook? Up there. So he's finished. Look how cute. He looks a bit cross-eyed, and these are all first time makes for me, so no judging. No judging. Ah! It's just as squirmy as a real mouse. But yeah, here he is. Just a little cutie. Okay, so should we do an overview? I really can't be bothered to do this one's face. I'm not going to do his face. I will do it eventually. Sorry, guys. I just can't bother. So we got the giraffe first, then the axolotl, and then the dumpy little chick that I missed a couple of rows out of. So I'm sorry. This isn't the actual pattern, but I wasn't frogging a load of rows, and I didn't put the head thing on either, but he looks so adorable. Look at him. So yeah, here's this week's mix. I might actually put this video up today or tomorrow, because I mean it's pretty much done now. So There we go. Yay! And I'll put all the others on a box, take a photo, and get my fingernails sorted. And yeah, so here you go. There, they weren't bad. The draft took so long, so long. I don't know if I want to make him again. I do have different draft patterns that don't take as long as this. The axolotl was alright. It was pretty cool. I think I might do it again, but not in that yarn, because that yarn was horrendous. I don't know what was wrong with it. I think it was just a bad skein. So I might actually try it again. I might try it again soon, and then possibly pop it in the end of this video. But the texture on this yarn is just, it's not nice. The chick would have taken longer, but yeah, I miss Rose. But look how dumpy! It's so cute. And the mouse didn't take very long at all. Again, looks a bit weird. Kind of looks like some Australian marsupial than a mouse, but yeah, it's adorable. So yeah, I use pretty much chunky chenille chunky for all of these, except there would have been the odd probably jelly baby or something in it as well. So yeah, like with the sparkly pink yarn. But yeah, if I do make the axolotl before I put this video, I will pop a picture up here or a clip in somewhere. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Okay, so I said I was going to do the axolotl again in a better yarn. Well, it's just my luck that I did the axolotl again, but I chose another horrible yarn. Like, this was horrendous. I really need to that red was beautiful. I wonder if I can, at least it's got eyes now, but yeah, I think I'll do it again, but look, it's all wonky. I'm going to have to just adjust my tension, adjust the pattern, I think. Yeah, this one's wonky too. I don't know, maybe I just give up and I try something else in the nicer yarn and not use these horrible yarns. But the axolotl did take me 45 minutes even with horrible yarn. So yeah, okay, I'm just going to do a setup for a photo. In the next clip will be me choosing next week's makes, and yeah, let's see how we get on. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm gonna choose next week's. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so look what we got, shall we? I'm at my work desk at the moment, so oh, okay, we got the I can't get it. Cuddly Pig, page 99. I'll put little clips up to show you what the picture looks like. And then we've got I think that says Terrific Turtle. Hang on, this is hard one-handed, guys. Terrific Turtle. Next we've got our darling dog. Cute. And then last but not least, so this will be week 6, so we're going to be just over halfway through now when we start these ones. So crumbly cookie, awesome. Okay, I'll put little clips up in the corner, this one I think right here, to show the picture of what's there. And yeah, I'll thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next week. Bye. Little local stitches, so I can stick